Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Happy Monday wherever you are around the world. I'm sure people already know at this point as to what we're going to be discussing today, none other than our good old friend XRP. I'm sure people that are in the cryptocurrency market are in complete disbelief at the fact that, XRP is the top gainer today in the top 100 coins today. But again, this shouldn't really even be coming as a surprise right now. This move kind of was coming, and of course I will get a little bit more into detail as to what I mean. But you're seeing XRP up 18.2%, and as we did start off Monday morning, we did see Bitcoin pushing yet to another all-time high above $72,000 as discussed in our updates just late last night. So definitely some great stuff happening, especially if you are an XRP holder. I'm sure you guys are smiling at this point. If we're looking at the prices currently sitting at 73.8 cents, up 20% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative, as well as about 15% in BTC comparative over the past 24 hours. Now, if we're looking at its market cap, on the other hand, it's currently sitting at $40.2 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $6.2 billion. But before we go into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So let's face it, we all know at this point, the XRP hasn't really had a move compared to, the likes of Solana, the likes of Ethereum, the likes of, even Cardano and, Chainlink. You guys get the idea as to what I'm really going at. We have seen XRP not having that much traction, and there's a lot of reasons to it. But, we're finally seeing that happen because, of course, if you're really analyzing the overall markets, you were seeing one coin that hadn't moved, and a lot of people started having this discussion as well in the space that, XRP is not having that move. Why is XRP not moving? And as a matter of fact, as we did see Bitcoin pushing up to $72,000, we have seen XRP finally making a move as well. I think a bunch of money that was possibly on the sidelines, thought that, this is a great time to come in, and there could also be some inside news going on. But XRP has gone through a lot over the last 2 years. We all know at this point as to what I'm referring to. At this point, I think it's more than 2 years, but time definitely is flying. But, if we're looking at Bitcoin dominance right now, dominance is picking up right now. But, as far as altcoins go, altcoins are still reacting to the overall Bitcoin momentum right now, especially in USD comparative, because obviously Bitcoin has hit a new all-time high. You can pretty much see this for yourself. BTC made its way up to $72,464, and this is the first time I will go ahead and change the, let me give it a refresh live. The charts are kind of laggy here. Let's just move this key resistance, the Fibonacci, all the way up to a new all-time high. So what you're starting to see happening right now is the fact that the price is sitting at an all-time high as of recording this update. Price could pump up even more in the upcoming hours ahead of us, because guys, we're pretty much in price discovery mode right now, and as we know, the price discovery mode is a significant zone. There's no resistances, there's no support, so the price can go up depending on how much demand there really is. And depending on demand right now, there's insane amounts of demand for Bitcoin, and we all know that. And the fact that Bitcoin is at $72,000 plus before the Bitcoin halving really speaks for itself as to how important the ETF narrative really is, and how important the big money really is for this space. So that's definitely that for BTC side of things. Absolutely amazing stuff, and we did see this coming. If you do follow me on my channel, this is not something that is surprising me at all. But let's focus on XRP, because that is what everyone is here for right now. XRP, XRP, XRP. So of course, if you guys are new to this space, you don't really know as to what happened with XRP in terms of its history. You can see this for yourself. XRP had a massive bull run originally from 2017, and peaked in 2018. You can see this for yourself. 2018 high was at this chart is the old chart, so apologies on that. So the 2018 chart was $3 something, give or take. That was its all-time high, but this is the previous bull run all-time high. Well, I would say bull run high. I wouldn't even say it's all-time high. So it was at $1.97. I will pull out the other chart in the next update, but we're briefly just going to take a look at as to what's happening in the shorter time scales, because we can still cover as to what exactly needs to be broken before we kind of get that confirmation. But last cycle it was able to get up to $2 price point, and that is despite having a massive hurdle in front of XRP as a project. What I mean by that is the SEC lawsuit, because there was massive amounts of money that was on the sidelines, a lot of investors not showing as much confidence on XRP due to the fact that SEC has a lawsuit against Ripple itself. So of course that is going to take attention away from the project itself, and that we did see that happening. But despite that fact, of course we did see the bull run happen, and XRP still made its way up to $2 price point, but did not make its way up to its all-time highs. But of course mid last year we did finally hear that long awaited announcement, which was the settlement that finally occurred. And we did see the price of XRP breaking up to 91 cents, but never really managed to stay above here, because the uncertainty at that point for the overall market was still quite high. So we did retest the support line at 50 cents, pretty much just held above that support line, and bounced back and forth within the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level for the price of XRP. But what I want you guys to be start focusing on right now is just prices right now, and the price that I want you guys to be focusing on right now is key resistance at 85 cents, and pay attention to the 78.6. So let's kind of go back all the way December 9th 2021. So pretty much since then, after we broke below that, we've seen the price of XRP having a really hard time breaking past the 61.8 resistance. We've seen several retest above there. You could pretty much see 3 here, and one of course after the settlement occurred. But all these 4 different times, almost 2+ years, we haven't seen the price actually claiming its price above that and actually turning into support. But this time around, I think things can change, because of course the entire market sentiment has changed. We're in a bull market, and that can really affect XRP's price in a positive way. So if you're looking at XRP's price right now, it still has a long ways to go. Don't get me wrong on that. This move is of course something that you needed to see pretty much since February 1st, guys, from 50 cents price. If you picked it up around that price point, you are up about 40% since then. Obviously not crazy gains, but you'll definitely take that for a stable coin. Just jokes, but you guys get the idea as to what I'm saying. It's just a meme at this point. But you're seeing a significant resistance coming in the way. We did see this resistance on November as well of last year, and that exact same resistance is playing out. So if we're able to see the resistance turning into support in the next few hours to come, and especially if it's able to close its daily candle above this key resistance, hear me out, above this key resistance, I think we could see the price of XRP pushing up to that key resistance once again at 85.16 cents. And if that is able to clear and we're able to turn into support for the first time in 2+ years, we could see a dollar price coming very soon, in my opinion. That's how I'm currently analyzing the charts. Do let me know down below what you guys personally think. And next update, I will bring out the charts, the proper chart. This one is the Binance one. It doesn't kind of show the all-time high for some reason, but we will change that for you guys. But do let me know down below if you guys think something similar, if you guys are thinking something completely different, and also let me know what you think is causing this move and what is your prediction for XRP in terms of the peak of the bull market. But thank you so much for your support. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX. Peace out.